Okay, so for all of you that are telling me no, they're not gonna get rid of the developer program. This was the website on our Wayback Machine, January 23rd. This is the find a developer partner, right? So it would go to a page. Hopefully it'll show up here. And there it was, right? So, but if and I think that the it's still there if you go here, right? Yeah, it's still here. But if you go to the footer, it's no longer there. So, you know, whatever. It's one of those things. But it's just I've told you that these guys are gonna end it, whether they know or not. That's sort of like how things have gone. But you know by 2024, it'll be it'll be a different story.